Welcome to green technology. Heavy recovery operations and extreme industrial transport are pushed to the limit. From 1,000-ton convoys to dangerous recovery missions, subscribe for more heavy transport and industrial machinery action. The Hambala heavy transport convoy barely looked real. With hundreds of wheels spread across modular platforms, the setup was less like a truck and more like a moving industrial bridge. Moving loads at this scale demands perfect synchronization, route inspections, and constant stability monitoring. Transporting 1,000 tons of industrial cargo across a 450-axle wheel platform is not brute force alone. Every steering correction, braking input, and support vehicle movement must stay coordinated to keep the load balanced and the operation safe. An overloaded Oshkosh M1070 recovery operation demonstrated why controlled extraction and proper weight distribution matter. Without stable recovery angles and disciplined operator coordination, even military-grade transport systems can lose control quickly. Moving a 100-meter industrial shipment through narrow transport routes required exceptional planning and communication. Escort crews, transport coordinators, and heavy haul operators worked together with centimeter-level precision to safely guide oversized cargo through difficult terrain. A 400-ton gas turbine convoy through Belfort pushed transport logistics to the limit. Over a 109-meter transport configuration, every corner, bridge, and road surface had to be calculated in advance to avoid disaster. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Mud recovery operations can become dangerous within seconds. Even when the driver escapes unharmed, poor planning and rushed recovery attempts often create larger problems than the original accident itself. If you enjoy real-world industrial transport, recovery operations, and heavy equipment engineering, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more extreme logistics content. Seeing a giant concrete mixer appear in your rearview mirror is enough to remind anyone how massive industrial vehicles really are compared to normal traffic. Transporting giant wind turbine blades requires careful route balancing, steering precision, and constant communication between operators and escort teams. One wrong move can damage infrastructure worth millions. That fully loaded truck climbing without wheel spin showed incredible traction management and operator control under pressure. One operator tried correcting the alignment, but gravity had completely different plans for the recovery. Even powerful off-road machines struggle in severe winter conditions. Snow, ice, and unstable traction constantly test both machine capability and operator skill in extreme environments. Every heavy equipment operator should treat moments like these as a reminder that safety procedures always come before speed or pride. That trailer looked unstable from the beginning. A quick warning before lifting could have prevented the entire incident from escalating. Dumping a frameless trailer at that angle took serious confidence and careful balance control. One sudden shift could have flipped the entire unit instantly.
So backing through them is always better than letting a train hit the entire rig.
If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. Thankfully, everyone escaped safely before the railway collision. Those crossing arms are designed to break away for emergencies because replacing barriers is far better than letting a train hit a stalled truck. During a large offshore loading operation near Hong Kong, a collapsed container interrupted the transfer process and exposed how critical crane balance and container coordination are when handling massive shipping loads. A tire blowout during a highway curve instantly pushed the situation out of control, proving once again how essential vehicle maintenance and road awareness are for transport safety. Ignoring railway warning signals caused major damage and nearly resulted in a deadly transport disaster. Heavy vehicles and trains never mix safely when timing is ignored. That chain carried unbelievable tension during the recovery. Moments like this force operators to trust every connection point and every piece of equipment completely. Improper excavator positioning caused another heavy haul failure, reinforcing why trailer stability and load balance inspections are mandatory before transport begins.
But the Zetor's torque is just on another level today.
Most people expected the Ursus tractor to dominate, but the Zetor delivered torque on another level during the pull. While crews focused on one overturned vehicle, another accident happened nearby after a brief loss of control. Recovery operations become extremely dangerous when coordination breaks down. Those massive cylinders miss nearby workers by only inches. A close call like that shows how quickly industrial operations can become life-threatening.
This controlled test demonstrates how pressure imbalance can damage enclosed tanks and why proper ventilation is critical for industrial safety.
This controlled pressure test revealed how tank imbalance can destroy attached systems if proper venting procedures are ignored. Industrial safety often depends on pressure management more than brute strength. Handling machinery weighing over 130 tons requires precision movement, experienced operators, and carefully controlled positioning. Heavy equipment handling succeeds through patience and engineering discipline, not aggression. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. That tight transport corner tested the driver's composure completely. In oversized transport, calm decision-making is often more valuable than raw driving skill. A demolition crane dismantled an entire school structure in only 7 minutes, showcasing the speed, precision, and efficiency of modern industrial recycling technology.
Heavy transport operations. Amtrak trains clearing snow at ADMTH demonstrated the importance of rail maintenance and winter transport safety.
Successful heavy transport recovery operations always begin with one thing: proper assessment and planning before equipment ever starts moving. That Kenworth T800 had the power, but dragging a dead bus uphill on steep terrain still looked like a nightmare operation from start to finish. Holding a heavy rig steady in 60-mile-per-hour winds requires extraordinary focus and steering control. Conditions like that leave no room for distraction.
Всем привет! У нас тут немного маном дергали.
If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Miss a swing by only a few inches during heavy lifting, and entire sections of city infrastructure disappear instantly.
Ман пригруженный песочком тоже.
After becoming trapped in soft sand, the Tatra 380 was safely recovered by the TGA rescue team. The operation highlighted one of the most important lessons in off-road transport. Always inspect the terrain before attempting heavy recovery. Fortunately, the operator reacted fast enough to avoid a catastrophic accident at the last second. The final crane collapse became another harsh reminder that structural stability inspections are not optional in industrial lifting operations.